Hello friends, in this video I will show how to print multiple pages on one sheet of paper. So open Microsoft Word. Now open your document. Now here click on File. Then here click on Print. Here you will see the option one page per sheet. Click on this drop down. Here you need to select which you need, like 2 pages per sheet, 4 pages per sheet, 6, 8 or 16 pages per sheet. So select as your requirement. Then just click on print. So this is the way guys you can print multiple pages on one sheet of paper. Thanks for watching.